Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Equipment Trader mobile app review to see with what using. Equipment Trader is a mobile app designed for buying and selling heavy equipment from loader and excavators to truck and trailer. It lets you search by make, models, price and location, make it easy to find exactly what you need. The app also lets you filter and save listening, contact seller directly and set up alert when new equipment match your criteria and becoming available. But it's not perfect. Some people says the app sometimes shows unreliable listening or that price and details aren't always accurate. There are reports of fake or duplicate listing, and some find the search and filters options a bit confusing. So while Equipment Trader can be a helpful tool for heavy equipment transaction, it goes ideas to double check details and do your own homework before making a deal on the app. And that's it.